Class, our today's new topic is construction of triangle, and for construction of triangle we have so many conditions. So the first condition is when the length of three sides are given. So you all know your triangle is like this normally, ABC, and they give you this side AB 6.4, they give you BC 5.4, and they give you AC also 5.6. So how to construct this triangle? So class, first you make your baseline, which is your BC. So your BC is 5.4. So with the help of scale you can draw 5.4 centimeter. So class, this is your BC, which is 5.4, and now from here to here you create a point or a line segment AB. So for that, you all know the length of AB is 6.4. So you have to take 6.4 length with the help of compass, and from here you make an arc here, and from C you make an arc of, definitely this point is A, so AC is, you all know AC is 5.6. so with the help of this scale take 5.6 centimeter length and create an arc here. So this length is 5.6 and this length is 6.4 and this point is A. So this is 6.4, this is 5.4 and this is 5.6. Now class, second type of construction when two sides and one angle is given. Here you can see they gave you AB 5.4 centimeter, BC 4.5 centimeter, and angle B, this angle should be 75 degree here. So class, how to construct this kind of triangle? For that you have to create first BC. So you make a baseline BC and measure it as 4.5 centimeter. Now class, you have to measure 5.4 here also, but before that you have to create 75 degree angle. So whenever the angle should be there, at that time first create an angle. So for that I have to make 75 degree angle here with the help of protractor, and this is 75 degree angle class. So first you create a 75 degree angle and make a line. So this is your line, and this line should be 5.4 because from B to A the length is 5.4. So with the help of compass you take the length 5.4 and make an arc. So this is 5.4. Now there is no need to measure this line, just match this line from here to here. So this is your point A, this is point B and C. So this is how you create your this kind of triangle. Third type of triangle, one side and two angles are given, at that time how you construct. So in triangle PQR they gave you QR 6.3 and two angles, angle Q and angle R. So you have a PQR like this, and they gave you QR base as 6.3, and they gave you also angle Q and angle R. Angle Q is 105 degree and angle R is 40 degree. So how to construct that? First you construct your baseline. Suppose this is 6.3, and from here you have to create first 105 degree angle. With the help of protractor you can create 105 degree, 100 and 105, and just match that. So this is 105 degree, and from here angle R is 40 degree. So class, from here, where is your 40 degree class? When you take your angle from the right hand side, at that time your angle should be start from left hand side. Calculate your angle from the left point, at that time your angle should be start from here. So from here your 40 degree is this is your 40 degree. So match this also. So class, this is your 40 degree and this is your 105 degree. This is 6.3, this is point P, this is point Q, this is point R. So QR is 6.3, angle Q is 105 and angle R is 40 degree. Now class, constructions of equilateral triangle. If they give you one side of equilateral triangle, suppose one side is 6 centimeter. So how you construct your equilateral triangle? It's very easy class. Suppose this is BC 6 centimeter. So from here you make an arc of 6 centimeter. Also from here you make an arc of 6 centimeter and match these 2 points. So 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, this is point A. So this is ABC and all the sides are same. So this is how you construct your equilateral triangle. Now class, construct an isosceles triangle when base and base angle are given. So class, already we did that, but again I just explain you. Base means class, in your triangle this line, the base line is known as base. So in this triangle they give you base as PQ, which is 6.4 centimeters. So you measure 6.4 and make a line. And now they give you two base angle class. In your baseline, these angle are known as base angle. So this is your angle P, this is your angle Q when you create a triangle. So angle P is 30 degree, you create angle 30 degree here. And from here also, this is your 30 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30. So class, match these two lines. So class, this angle PQR, in this angle PQR, PQ is 6.4, angle P is 30 degree, angle Q is also 30 degree, fulfill the condition. So class, in isosceles triangle two sides are equal. So maybe you are confused where are your two sides which are equal, but you have two equal angles and the front side of this angle and the front side of this angle are same because the angles are same. So this side and this side is same and this is 6.4. So this is a isosceles triangle. Next is when one of the equal sides and vertical angle are given. So class, understand that one of the equal side means there are two equal sides with vertical angles and vertical angle is also given. So suppose if I am talking about this P, Q and R, and suppose I am talking about this angle Q. So there are two lines or two sides are attached with this angle. So this side and this side is equal because here they gave you when one of the equal side is given. Suppose this is 5 centimeter. So this is given, they give you the angle also 70 degree. Suppose, so one of the equal side is 5 centimeter, they give you angle also. So definitely the second attached side is also 5 centimeter. Okay class. So class, your question should be like this: construct a triangle PQR with one of its equal side PQ is 6.2 centimeter and the vertical angle P is 70 degree centimeter. So class, they give you your vertical angle P and they also give you PQ as 6.2. This is your baseline and this is your angle P. This is your vertical angle P, 70 degree. From here you create an angle 70 degree. So there are two sides which are same, PQ 6.2 centimeter and the other side also. This is your angle P and you have to create a 70 degree angle with the help of protractor. And now just mark 6.2 and make an arc here. So this is your 6.2 and they give you this PQ. So this is your PQ 6.2 and they give you one thing class, that one of the side is 6.2. So definitely this R is also 6.2. So this is 6.2, this is 6.2, match this. So it means class 70 degrees here and two of the sides relate with this angle are also 6.2 centimeter. Now class, construction of right angle triangle. So class, construction of right angle triangle, for that they gave you two sides. So suppose they gave you two sides 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter like this. So first you create 5 centimeter base and from P, this is 5 centimeter, from P you have to create 90 degree angle. You all know how to create 90 degree angle class. With the help of compass you can create 90 degree angle. This is your 90 degree angle and from Q now you have to make an arc of 6 centimeter. So suppose this 6 centimeter arc cut this line in this point. So this is your R and match this point with Q. So this is your 5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, and this is 90-degree angle. So class, in this right angle triangle they gave you one side and hypotenuse. So when one side and hypotenuse are given, at that time you have to create your right angle triangle like this. In class, second condition is when sides forming the right angle triangle are given. It means when two sides are given. It means class, suppose I am talking about ABC and this is BC. The first side is BC 5 centimeter and BAB is 4 centimeter. Suppose these two sides are given, BC and AB. So this BC is 5 centimeter. From here first you create your 90-degree angle, and after that your AB is 4 centimeter. So from B you have make an arc of 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter arc. Just match this point A with C. So in this time class, your concentration only with BC and AB. Now whatever will come here, it's none of your business. So 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter sides are here. It is 90-degree angle. So this is how you create your angle. So it means class, when one side and hypotenuse is given, at that time you have to create an arc from this point to this perpendicular, and if they give you only two sides, at that time you just take your arc from this point to perpendicular.